I know I'm not the only one, but who else has pit meat? She likes to come out a lot. I've grown to love her, so hello, girls. Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the best ways to organize your closet by color. Basically, I'll be showing you how to color coordinate your closet. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. So one of the best things about organizing your closet by color is it makes it so much easier for you to find the clothing item you need, the color at least. And of course, it also helps you save time because if you know exactly where to find your clothing item because it's organized by color, you no longer will be wasting time shifting through your clothes, which is a no-no, right? We don't do that anymore here. No, we don't. So when it comes to organizing your closet by color, one of the first things you need to do is to Roy G. Biv it. Use the rainbow, guys. The rainbow is your best reference. So outside of just the rainbow, I've added a bit more colors. So basically, you first Roy G. Biv it, and then you pit B Dwib it. Roy G. Biv, pit B Dwib. 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 So basically, pit B Dwib are the colors pink, tan, brown, gray, white, and black. So for a lot of us, we have more of the second sequence colors than we do Roy G. Biv. At least I do in my closet. So all you do is just follow those two sequences and you will have a color coordinated closet and become a pro at it too. So once you Roy G. Biv'd and pit B Dwibbed, your closet, you're then going to go in each color section and organize it accordingly. You're gonna place either the lights in the front and the darks in the back, or you're gonna switch it around and place the darks in the front and the lights in the back, and then of course, the range in between. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys that in one of these sections. Let's do it. So let's look at gray. So basically, as you can see, the gray, I have this light color gray and this lighter color gray. And basically what I will probably do is to switch it around because even though this is kind of like a silver, it's lighter than this gray. Therefore, it will sit in the front like so. So basically in the front, we have lighter gray, light gray. So these grays are practically the same, but this one appears to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna put this in the back. Bam, easy peasy, right? And I would basically do the same for all the other colors if I was color coordinating this particular rack. And what that's gonna do is, again, make it so much easier for you to find the clothing color you want to wear without really just guessing or even thinking. Because we don't do that anymore. No more thinking in our closets. We just know where everything is in seconds. So let's talk about patterns. When it comes to adding patterns to a color coordinating closet, I like to first color coordinate the solids. So what I would do is to take out all the patterns first, and then I would color coordinate the entire closet. So again, use the sequences that I mentioned before, and then I will place the patterns in between. So how I determine where to place the pattern clothing is I hold it up like so. Let's just demonstrate together. Nope, not that one. This one. So basically what I do is I hold it up and then I look for the more dominant color. So as you can see in this top, pink is the dominant color, but there are honestly about 4 colors in this top. But because pink is the more dominant color, at least to me, I will place this in the pink section. So what I do is I place this top next to the color that it's closest to, like this one. And basically just, I would actually place it behind. Come on, girl. There we go. And I place it behind because it's a bit darker than the top that sits in front of it. So let me show you another top so you kind of understand what I mean. This top is predominantly green, But because the pink stands out more to me, this is actually gonna sit in the pink section. Of course, if you see green more and you feel that green just sticks out more, then place it in the green section. Don't place it in the pink section. But for me, I consider this to be more of a pink top than a green top. And also because this is gonna sit on a clothing rack and you will see the sleeve more so than the bodice of the top. Again, I would place this in the pink section because the sleeve, at least this side of the sleeve, is pink, which means for me, it's gonna flow smoothly if it sits in the pink section than if it sat in the green section. Does that make sense? Let me show you. So basically, this is the green section, and let's say I place this here. As you can see, there's pink in this sequence. And for some, this may not mean anything, but for me, this sticks out like a thumb. So I will place this in the pink section, probably around right here. There we go. And after placing it there, it kind of just flows with the sequence. So that's kind of how I would color coordinate it. But of course, do what works for you, because at the end of the day, it's your closet that you'll be using and not mine. So last but not least is the bonus tip. When it comes to color coordinating your closet, it's important that you place the color clothing items that you use the most, either in the front of the closet or in the back of the closet. So let's say, for instance, you are a black wearer, you love black tops like me. You would place your black items either in the front of your closet or in the back. Because in the second sequence, black sits in the back, it kind of works for me. I'm fine with having all my black clothes in the back. But if you're someone who has to wear black all the time, either because of work or you just love wearing black, I would suggest you place it in the front. It makes them easily accessible, and you just know that in the front of your closet is where all of your black items sit. Just easy. Honestly, I'm all about creating a very functional closet that works seamlessly. So if I'm able to create that, I'm gonna do that. And I do that by adding all of my black clothes in the back. But it kind of does flow with the sequence, bejwib, so it kind of works. That's pretty much it, guys. This video was to show you how to organize your closet by color like a pro. And now you can go in your closet right now and color coordinate it with ease. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite color to wear? Again, I love wearing black. I will wear black every day, as you can see, but I also love wearing blue and green. So let me know in the comment section below. You already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.